Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the code execution cannot proceed because concrt140.Dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. View by to category view, change this view to category and click uninstall a program. Select the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2019 redistributable. You just need to click on x64 of it. You just need to click on change option over here and click repair option. Click yes. Click restart. After restarting your PC, hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. But if you still having a problem, let's fix that guys by reinstalling. Go to any browser you are using it. I'm going in Google Chrome guys. Go to search menu and type Microsoft C++. Click the first latest supported Visual C++. Click on it. Scroll down guys. We just need to download the x64 bit of it. You just need to download this one. Click here, click the link and download it and click where open when done. Close it off here. Go to File Explorer and install the downloads. We are just downloaded VC, this one, Microsoft Visual C++. Double click on it. You just want to install it. Click agree to the license term and condition. Click install. Click yes. After setup successful, close it off here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.